to share.
What is going on, guys? Envisions Tutorials, and in this video today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your Xbox Live Gamertag. But before I move on, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below. So let's get on with this. First, you want to go on xbox.com, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. So what you want to hit there on one of the options there is Xbox settings, and what will pop up are 6 other settings, and you want to click change gamertag. So once you're on there, you'll come up to another screen, and it'll ask you for your login password. So once you log in, it will come up with it will ask for authenticator, like two-way authenticator, and you're just going to want to wait for the code, whether it's on your phone or it's your email. And once you want to get over there, it's going to ask you to change your gamertag. So once you change your gamertag, you have the luxury of changing your gamertag to your liking. And the first time it didn't work out for me, so I gave it a second shot. And the second shot was Excel for life, pretty Microsoft generic if you ask me. And once you come up with a name that isn't taken, and you check the availability, it's going to say claim it. And once you claim it, that's pretty much it. So if you like this tutorial and you want more tutorials in the future, leave a comment below.